The rabbit practiced climbing diligently, becoming fairly adept at balancing on branches. One day, he challenged the squirrel, boasting about his new tree climbing skills. "Let's race again," he announced, eager to test his abilities against hers. The squirrel, amused, agreed but decided to add exciting obstacles to the race. The monkey, serving as judge, set up an elaborate obstacle course in the jungle. Animals gathered to witness the race, anticipating a thrilling competition. Upon the whistle's blow, the rabbit and squirrel shot forward energetically. Approaching a pond, the rabbit leaped but splashed into the water, drawing laughter. Meanwhile, the squirrel slipped on a branch prepared by the monkey, crashing down. Amidst laughter, they realized the fun in cooperation over competition. "Let's become the fastest together," said the rabbit, acknowledging teamwork's power. "That's the spirit," laughed the monkey, appreciating their newfound perspective. Their friendship grew, impressing the jungle with their combined speed and teamwork. The jungle animals cheered, inspired by the rabbit and squirrel's camaraderie. Their legend spread, teaching the importance of unity over mere rivalry.